So this is so hot right now. Look at that, look at that. Here we go. Okay, so first thing we're doing is we're taking the spaghetti squash. You want to make sure it's nice and yellow. So first thing you want to do is cut the ends off. So what you're going to do is you're going to stab it. You got to be very careful. Make sure your kids don't do this. And you're going to easily, sorry about that, cut the ends off. Just be very, very careful. Take your time with this because you do not want to hurt yourself. That's for sure. Okay, so you're gonna do that, okay? So you're gonna cut one end off, put that aside. You're gonna do it to the other side. So now you're going to cut straight down the middle. And this is what it should look like. So we want to get all that out. Going to take a spoon. This is the spoon I have, okay. And we're just going to scrape that all out. Just like so. We're gonna do it to both of them. And I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. But this is basically what it should look like. Okay, so you can season this up how you like. However, I like to put a little bit of olive oil, just a tiny bit, just like that. And then I like to take my brush, or you can use your fingers, whatever you choose. But I just brush it along the sides and the middle. Try to get it all over. And I season with a little garlic salt. You can put salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, whatever you want, Italian seasoning. I just give a very light sprinkle on each one. Now I'm going to put in the air fryer. I can fit both of them in there. Depends on your air fryer. Just like that. I put on 370 and I put for 23 minutes. And I start. So it's in there and I'll be back in 23 minutes. So hot right now. I'm gonna let it cool down like 20 minutes and I'll be back. Now that it's nice and cooled down, I'm going to take a fork and this is all I'm going to do. I'm just going to pull from the sides, this side as well. Get it right to the skin. And then you take it like this and you just pull down. Yeah, this. Look, this is spaghetti. This is spaghetti. I'm gonna do the other one and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I did both of them. Put it to the side, and this is how much I got. Quite a few servings here. So to my spaghetti squash, I am adding, I got this from Trader Joe's. These are the turkey meatballs. They are fully cooked, and each serving size, you get 5 meatballs. So I'm just going to microwave them fast, and I'll show you what that looks like. What it looks like frozen. Okay, so I am adding my 5 meatballs. Look at this, you guys. Look how beautiful this looks. Come on, you guys. And now I have a 1/4 cup of Rayo sauce, and I'm just going to put all on top. Look at this. I mean, really, you guys, come on, come on. We got spaghetti and meatballs without the guilt. I mean, really, this is actually good for you. Yes, it is. I hope you enjoyed this. I am going to try it right now. This is so hot right now. So, Here I go. Look at this. Come on. Come on. Look at it. Look at it. First bite, you guys. This looks amazing. And you can add mushrooms. You can add spinach just to get all your greens in. This is so good. Here we go. I do definitely. Sorry I'm chomping like that. I definitely do not miss the real pasta with this dish. This definitely takes the place of pasta, I believe. Try it out for yourself. Let me know how you like it. And that's it. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.